The Minister for Food and Civil Supplies, Kamingwan Imbon, informed that the North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union (NEPMU) withdrew the protests, and the minister urged the people not to panic. He informed that the department held a meeting with the North East Petroleum Mazdoor Union (NEPMU) oil company and the Petrol Dealers Association today. The minister was categorical, asserting that the government will not interfere in the judicial process. Earlier today, the government held a crucial meeting with the union representatives at Ribhoi district. The strike had disrupted petroleum supply to Meghalaya, with the union demanding the release of arrested members allegedly involved in petroleum malpractice.
I'm very happy today, as per my knowledge, they informed me, DC Ribhoi also, they informed me that the case was these people from the Mazdoor Union, they withdraw the strike. No, I request all the people in Meghalaya, don't panic. The petrol and diesel will come this evening only. No need to worry. As of now, we have the sufficient stocks.
The